Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install and activate Schema Pro for lifetime. So let's get started. Go to our WordPress admin dashboard, then click on plugin and then add plugin. Then click on upload plugin, then choose file. Now select Schema Pro plugin from here and click on open, then click on install now. Then click on activate plugin. Now we need to activate the plugin license key, so click on activate and then go to our notepad file to copy the license key. This is the license key and copy here, then paste here and click on activate license. Look at here, license successfully validate. If you want to install and activate Schema Pro license key for lifetime, check the link from video description. Thank you very much for watching this video.